Here's an American Standard Odyssey unit and some sort of refrigerator component, which is the only one running. It's got a giant compressor back there. That's a straight cool unit. This is from 2009, and it's a 7.5 ton. Doesn't look like it's been running not too much, but it's still connected. One powerful fan right there. I guess that's the brand, legendary reliability, or something else faded to that thing. But yeah, it was just the units at the Pan Am Academy. I don't know if there's more, but yeah, it's like near the airport. So thank you guys for watching.